Welcome to the series of videos on Python programming. In this video, we will study 4 string methods, namely isdecimal, isdigit, isidentifier, and islower. The plan is simple. First is decimal, then is digit, then is identifier, then is lower, and at the end a few examples. Suppose str is a string. So what happens if we use isdecimal? Its syntax is str dot, that is the name of the variable, dot isdecimal, no parameters required. It returns true if all characters of str are from 0 through 9, else it returns false. It means no other character is recognized other than 10 digits. Now, next one is isdigit. Its syntax is str.isdigit, no parameters required. It returns true if all characters of str are from 0 through 9, including both 0 as well as 9, else returns false. Now, the difference between isdecimal and isdigit is this isdigit recognizes Unicode letters also for superscript and subscript digits, like \0, \u. This backslash is escape character, \u is escape sequence, and 2070 is for superscript 0. Remember, only digits. Okay, so this is one value of a Unicode character for superscript, and there are other other Unicode sequences for superscript 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and subscripts also. Okay. Now next one is identifier. Syntax is str.isIdentifier, no parameters here as well. It returns true if all characters of str are from A through Z, lowercase letters 26, or or uppercase letters A through Z, 10 digits 0 through 9, and underscore. Okay. Now there are two restrictions. It cannot start from any digit, no digit, and cannot have spaces. So only these 26, these 26 uppercase letters and 10 digits. So 62 and 63. So any string made up of 63 letters in which first is restricted to be from 53. So first character can be any character from lowercase alphabets, uppercase alphabets, and underscore. Next character onwards, that is second character onwards, may include any number of digits. So this will return true, otherwise it will return false. And the last one is islower. The syntax is str.islower, no parameters required, returns true if all characters of str are lowercase alphabet characters. Otherwise, it returns false. And it checks only alphabet characters. It does not return false if you have, it checks only alphabet letters. If you have other than alphabet letters in the string, it does not check them. So you may have any characters, but if all alphabet letters are there, they must be all lowercase. If they are all lowercase, other than and you have other characters as well other than alphabets, then also it will return true. Okay. Now let us see some examples. Let us invoke Python, and suppose S is some string. So 1, 2, 3, and S dot isdecimal. So this is true because every character of this string S is a digit from 0 through 9, both included. Okay, now let S equal to A 1 2 3, and if I check this, this will give false because this is capital A, this is not a digit, it is not a numerical value, so it is not a decimal digit, that is why it is false. Now let me modify this. Let me type this a \u for Unicode characters 2070 \u 00 b9 b9, then let me have one more u 00 b2. Okay, now let us see what is this. I can see these are the uppercase digits, so these are also recognized. So let me check this by isdecimal. You see false. Why? Because decimal does not recognize these uppercase or lowercase digits. It recognizes purely 10 digits, 0 1 2 3 up to and including 9, nothing else. Okay, now let us check isdigit. So S equal to capital A 1 2 3. Okay, now we say is digit. Same thing, false, because capital A is not a digit. Now let me do one thing. This one. Okay, so S is this uppercase letters, uppercase digits, then is digit. It is true because is digit recognizes uppercase and lowercase letters as well. Let me modify it a bit. \u, and then 2080, which I remember, I don't know, yeah, perhaps 1, then u 2081 \u 2082. Now S, now you can see here these three are lowercase subscript, these are the digits which are there in subscripts. So S digit is digit recognizes them as well. So uppercase subscript and superscript or digits in superscript and subscript are also recognized by isdigit, whereas they are not recognized by isdecimal. Isdecimal recognizes purely the 10 digits. Isdigit recognizes purely 10 digits as well as those digits in superscript or subscript. Okay, now let us have an identifier. So whatever was the string, it is not an identifier. Is identifier, it will say false because S is here as this. Okay, so they are only digits, and that too in uppercase, either superscript or subscript, and that is why it is string is not representing any identifier. Now let me have another string. This is only an underscore. Okay, you can see here. So is identifier, it will say yes, it is true. It is identifier because identifier can have underscores. Now let me modify it a bit. Yeah, so more than one underscores. Okay, yes, it is true. Now let me modify it again. Let me have this string. Now is this identifier? No, false, because an identifier cannot begin with or cannot start with any digit. It has to start with either uppercase letters, one of the uppercase letters, or one of the lowercase letters. Okay, so it is not an identifier. Or another example, capital A 1 underscore B. Okay, now is this identifier? Yes, it is an identifier. Okay, so identifier is a string which begins with any of the 52 uppercase or lowercase letters or underscore, followed by either nothing or any combination of any string made up of 63 letters, 26 lowercase letters, 26 uppercase letters, 10 digits, and underscore. Now let us check this is lower. So suppose this is the string. So this is the string which I would like to test. S dot is lower. It will say false because W is capital here. These three letters are also capital. It will not check for spaces or question mark. Now let me modify this string a bit. Who are YOU? Who are you? Tell me. Okay, so who are you? Tell me. Now is this will return in true? Yes. Why? Because all alphabet letters are in lowercase form. They are all lowercase letters. It will not test for question mark or comma or space. In the next video, we will study other 4 string methods: is numeric, is printable, is space, and is title. That is all in this video. Thanks for watching.